Welcome back to another exciting episode of strongfencing.co.nz, where we look at fences that pretty much all look the same but look slightly different. This one is Coloursteel, but the customer has gone for grey friars with ebony rails and posts, and I gotta say, I didn't like it when I heard it, but then when I saw it, I'm actually like, that looks mean. I don't know, what do you think? Give us a thumbs up if you think it looks cool. So yeah, you can mix and match the panels and the rails. Mix and match. We're going to put in this slat gate. It's a 65mm slat gate. It's actually been routed in. Take it down to the laser cutters. Get a hole cut on the side. The welds are actually on the back, in case you're wondering where the welds are. And we've gone and put a track in. And then over here we've got a matching gate. So this is matching pedestrian gate. Same slat sizes as over there, with a double-sided lock latch. That's what that is. Along with a big concrete strip. So bit of a mission getting this flat. You can see how it's raised up in the corner there, the concrete strip, to get it. But we've shot that with the laser the whole way. And the trick with this one was that the gate where the driveway was had to be flush with the ground, because obviously you don't want to have a big hump when you drive up the driveway. So we set everything to this height over here, because it's the height of the entranceway for the car, because the car's going to be driving in there. And so yeah, that's what it looks like. That's a Coloursteel fence mix and match, grey friars with ebony, and a 65mm slat gate set up with a 25mm gap and a 65mm frame. Cool. If you're interested in getting something like this, hit us up, strongfencing.co.nz.